Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on step 405. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at our environment, make sure everything is set up the way that we want it to be, and we'll start out at localhost and check and make sure that we don't have any errors going, that we're not starting off with any errors. Make sure that that all looks good, and we look good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure that our hosting panel is open in case we have any issues and we need to get to it. Take a look at our GitHub pages, make sure our GitHub repositories, make sure we're good there. We're up to 404 branch here, and all looks well there. So let's go ahead, set that back to master, and let's check out our GitHub page as well. That's pointing to the master branch, so that should be equal to our production site at the moment, and it is, and it looks good, and all is well there. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at our production site, make sure that that looks good. Let's check for some errors, just to make sure we have a clean slate up there as well. And we'll check that out. And all is looking good so far. And we are good as far as our production site goes. So then the next thing we want to do is make sure that we have our step open, our example for what we're working for in 405, which is pretty exciting because we're still logging in, nothing changed there. But what's cool is we swapped out the arrays menu for actual posts and pages. We're going to pull from our WordPress website so that we can actually manage and see our pages right here inside of our tool, which is awesome. So then we want to go ahead and hop on over to Dreamweaver, and let's go ahead and let's make sure that we have our branch, and we are in our master branch. Let's go ahead and check our connection to our remote server, and that looks good. We're connecting there as well. And so now we are ready to go ahead and create our branch. So we'll go ahead and we'll make sure that we're in our master branch, which we are, and then let's go ahead and run a git status. Make sure everything looks clean in here, which it does. If your branch is ahead by one, it might be because your Dreamweaver files or something of that nature, which is good and fine. So what we can do now is let's go ahead and check our branches and make sure that we are where we think we are, which we are. We have a 404, and so now what we can do is go ahead and check out our 405 branch. And we'll do 405-0 and enter. Oh, got to create it. So we'll go ahead and we'll git checkout B for branch to create it, 405-0, hit enter, get status, and there we are, and we are good to go. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started in the next video.